けかよてめえ。相当食ってるな。
だったらどうした?
Bro, a lot is putting it mildly, bro. Listen, if you can just take that many supplements and eat steaks the way he eats steaks, I mean, this is crazy, but there could be a madness. There could be a method to the madness. Yeah.
いいね。強くなるために全てを捨てたやつ。嫌いじゃねえぜ。
来るぜ。
来るぜ。You know that ant.
そうやって必死にあがく雑魚を蹂躙するのか。
I don't think selective breeding breeds this. I'm gonna keep it a stack. This right here is some demon shit. This right here is doing a seance. The babies are born. You do some crazy symbol in the middle of, let's say, a bunch of trees in the woods. You summon some same motherfucker that, yeah, come on, bro. Come on. He's actually going Asha's wrath.
最高なんだよ。なんだあれは。
おう、外しを使い。
So he used removal?
脳のリミッターを意図的に外す。
What is this fucking One Punch Man shit? Fucking gain greater One Punch Man shit? The removal? I never imagined there was still someone who had enhanced himself to that extent.
Raian の潜在能力解放率は 100%。
100%?
一族の中でも
Only very
ごく
few
わずかなも
family can
の
ever
しか
achieve
たどり着け
that.
ぬ
Gear
境
2?
地。
Fucking
いい
right.
選手を見つけたものじゃ。さすがはめっちゃん。目の付けどころが違うわい。
さあ、お前を蹂躙するぜ。
やってみろよ。
What the fuck did he just swallow?
さすがはめっちゃん。
Yo, my man had a pill pack? That's why he wasn't fucking. That's why he was keeping his mouth closed. He had a pill pack.
付けどころが違うわい。
さあ、お前を
Yeah, he's roid raging.
やってみろよ。
Dude, what the fuck are those, bro? Holy fuck. Not over.
これで
Nah, not even close.
慌てるな。
面白いのはここからじゃ。
He's roid raging. Bro, I haven't seen him long ass time. Maxing! The deranged versus the deranged. The deranged.
マジでどっちかが死ぬまで続くかもな。この試合。
Yeah, the skitty shit. Oh my god. Not Mojito, bro. Not Mojito. Ew.
二人とも笑ってる。
Yeah.
狂気の沙汰じゃな。
Whip kick. Teeth. Better block, bro. Oh shit! How the fuck did he throw him up?
こんなの試合じゃね
How the fuck did he throw him that Howard's teeth?
いじゃねえぜ。
二人にとってはそんなこと関係ない。そうやるかやられるか殺し合いさ。
See the game!
ちゃん、わしらはなんという試合を組んでしまったんじゃ。
見ろよ。
This nigga is missing a part of his calf!
なんという試合を組んでしまったんじゃ。
見ろよ。
Bro, he's missing flesh. He's missing flesh everywhere. Actual crypt keepers that.
このままでは本当に。
ストップ。二人とももうやめろ。
Show!
どっちだ。やつか。ライアンか。
The one saying choked is gonna lose, dude. Holy fuck. Went from Pickle taking chunks. Oh my god, Jack Hammer just can't keep getting these L's, bro. First Pickle, then now on the side mission with fucking Raian Kure. Oh. That's what y'all wanted, no?
やめんか。勝敗は決した。
Why? We're not done yet.
無駄じゃよみっちゃん。こやつらにとっての戦いは他人が口を挟めるものではないようじゃ。
Alright, here comes the intruder. Pickle or Yoshida, one of those two.
なんだ。様子がおかしいぞ。
Pickle. Let him through. Just let him through, nigga. Let him through. Let him through. Let him through.
Pickle.
Oh shit, Pickle! He acts on instinct when his prey is taken. That's fucking stupid. Jack Hanma is still prey? Oh, he came to protect his prey? This guy's my toy, hands up.
めちゃくちゃじゃ。
いよいよ収集がつかんの。
午前、私が。
He's Blackbeard? What can he do? Holy shit. He kicked Pickle!
終わりだよ兄さん。あんたの負けだ。
Oh my god, bro. Can you stop just giving him L's? It's over, big bro. You lost.
他人が決めた勝敗など問題ではない。いずれ必ず決着をつける。やってくれるじゃねえか、ハンマバキ。ぶっ殺してやるよてめえら、確実にな。
いいよ。いつでもおいで。
Yo, Sure, cause anytime, dude. Lol.
やってくれるじゃねえかハンマバキぶっ殺してやるよてめえは確実にない
いいよ。
いいよ。
いつでもおいで。
I swear Baki gave Jack the same talk. Yeah, he did.
やりたくなったらいつだってい
I'll
い
be
さ。
ready for you whenever.
バキ
関係ねえやつはすっ込んだな。言葉わかるか？よし。